Jessica Natasya. You can call me Jessica. I'm from communication student of Nuswantara University. In this video, I want to tell you about the Mother Nature. Okay, let's get started. The Mother Nature describes a forest scene with a river running through it. The trees are lush and green, and the water is crystal clear. The scene is during the day, and the sun is shining brightly, casting a warm glow for everything. The picture showcases a serene and breathtaking natural landscape with a clear and calm lake, surrounded by lush green vegetation, trees, and mountains. The blue sky and fluffy clouds complete the magnificent scenery. There are no human figures or animals in this picture, but it is implied that this natural landscape and the picture does not show any human or animal figures, but it represents the natural world and the beauty of Mother Nature herself. The picture is at a forest with a river running through it. The location is not specific, but it could be anywhere in the world where such landscape exists. The location of the picture is unknown, but it depicts a beautiful natural landscape that could be found in many parts of the world, such as forests, mountains, and lakes. The picture appears to be set during the day, as the sun shining brightly and casting warm glow for everything. The time of day is not specific in the picture. Still, the clear sky and bright sunlight suggest that it could be during the day, perhaps in the morning when the sun is just rising, or in the afternoon when it is its highest point. The picture seems to be a celebration of the beauty of nature. It is a reminder that the natural world is a source of wonder and inspiration, and that we should do everything we can to protect it. The picture seems to have been taken to highlight the beauty and serenity of Mother Nature, promoting the need to protect and preserve the environment. The picture is a combination of different elements that work together to create a sense of harmony and balance. The colors are soothing and calming, and the composition is balanced and symmetrical. The use of light and shadow add depth and dimension of the scene, making it feel more realistic and immersive. Overall, the picture is a celebration of the beauty and power of nature, and a reminder that we are all part of large, interconnected ecosystem. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.